A lot of people love using color in their space, but that can be scary when you're talking about a major renovation like a kitchen. Kitchen renovations can be expensive, so you want to make sure that you're making decisions that can stand the test of time and still show your personality through color and style. So here's a few ways that we incorporate color in the kitchen. We always love to incorporate a wallpaper. So finding an area that has an alcove or a specific area to feature is a great place to pop out fun, colorful pattern and color. And it's something that can easily be changed down the line if you want to make an upgrade to that space or no longer feeling the pattern of that wallpaper. Cabinetry color is a fun way to experiment. Doing a darker color or a two-tone cabinet, something a little bit bolder, and balancing it with more classic colors like white uppers help create balance and color in the space. You can also get playful with tile. There are so many options beyond classic white subway tile. You can go with a slightly desaturated blue or green in a subway and still get a classic feel with a little bit of color added to the space. You can also do the same kind of playfulness with floors. In this particular kitchen, we went for a mosaic hexagon, but we custom colored it. So normally you might expect to see that in a gray or a black. We went with a really great mint sage color for the hexagon design. Overall, the space feels light and bright and balanced, but still very colorful and can stand the test of time.